Hi, I'm Sinachi, the Google Developer Student Club lead.
And I'm Clint, the Microsoft Student Ambassador for Harare Institute of Technology.
And well, we're excited to tell you about both our student tech communities,
which are endorsed by two of the most amazing companies in the world and are here to give you exposure, tools, and amazing life-changing opportunities.
Hello everyone, it's Tanashi again, and I'm here to tell you more about Google Student Developer Clubs, in short DSC. But before I do so, please sit back and watch this short clip from Google.
Developer student clubs are university-based communities where students learn about Google technology and use their skills to solve local problems. There are over 700 clubs all over the world. From North America to Europe, Africa, and across Asia, we encourage more students to join or start a developer student club at their university.
Some students have overcome personal barriers with the help of their DSC community on their journey to become developers. These clubs help student developers learn through hands-on workshops. They then identify challenges faced by local businesses, NGOs, and sometimes even their own universities and build real solutions for real problems.
The workshops that we had was Firebase, Actions on Google, and we're about to do ML. It's an amazing experience to learn about the impact that the technologies that can provide in our local communities.
DSC is a family, and it's not just about the programming, it's about the learning of teamwork and leadership.
A lot of villages face the problem of water, farming, floods. Maybe we can develop applications to solve this problem. Might be very ambitious for us as students to say that, but nothing is impossible. We can do it.
Developer student clubs around the world have already impacted so many students in their universities and people in their community. The future is bright for the next generation of students.
There you have it, a brief description of DSC from Google's perspective. The first DSC club launched in 2017 in India, and today there are more than 1,200 universities in more than 105 countries with the club, which means that you'll be part of a global network of developers. But hold on, that's a lot of global developer communities, right? And you must be wondering, how does HIT fit into this very huge picture? Well, the answer simply put in one word is community. Google Developer Student Clubs are student-run university-based community groups. They are open to all undergraduate and graduate students who are interested in software development. Their goal is to provide student developers with a way to grow their knowledge, network with their peers, and build solutions that impact their local businesses and communities. In turn, student developers will gain hands-on experience that prepares them for the workforce and distinguishes them from other job seekers when they graduate. And how does the club achieve this? Well, through code labs or coding session tutorials, career guidance workshops, outreach programs, international challenges that can change your life, and possibly gain your funding from venture capitalists like the Solution Challenge. In the past, one of the teams from our HIT community made it to the top 50 list with a project called Confident. We hope to go even further in the next challenge. And the year before that, a team from DSC community at MSU in Gweru were part of the top 10 finalists who got the chance to feature in the Google Developers blog and the Demo Day live on YouTube, gaining them global recognition. A pretty amazing feat if you ask me. So there's really no limit to what you can possibly achieve from within the community. Let's talk about our alumni for a second. DSC has a huge chance for opportunities. It has impacted some of our community members and leads on a notable scale. This includes Kudzai Chisinda, a former DSC lead currently working at Trivago, and has had a chance to meet Google CEO Sundar Pichai. Tapiwa Matangeni, also a former DSC community member who is now a software engineer at Google Canada. Wow, I mean, talk about hitting the jackpot, right? And not forgetting Clint, a former lead who has not yet left the university and we are privileged to still have on campus. He had a chance to go to Microsoft, got to meet some very important people on his tour, allowing him to make some very interesting connections. I would like to add that technology can do extraordinary things to the world. and love to support all student developers on our campus. From the absolute beginners, including those that do not major in any development courses, but are keen and interested in being part of a community that wants to achieve and impact more with the technology at their disposal. Simply put, you do not need to be a tech wizard or a geek to be part of this community, and your contributions will be just as valuable. Last but not least, I would like to highlight a very important program which Google offers, but not entirely as part of DSC, which is Women Tech Makers. Google's global program that helps women in technology. What I found most interesting is one of its initiatives, Black Women in Tech, a storytelling campaign by Women Tech Makers aimed at building a future where Black women are championed in tech and beyond through the community, resources, and advocacy. That's all for me now. Hope to see you soon. Take care. And over to you, Clint.
So, let's talk about Microsoft Student Ambassadors. We're part of an international community of student developers and tech enthusiasts, endorsed by Microsoft, focused on learning new skills, exposing students to new opportunities, and helping build careers in and around the tech industry. Chances are you already know what Microsoft's developer ecosystem might be about, and you're likely thinking Windows and PCs. And that's true. But in this developer community, you'll learn that being part of Microsoft developer ecosystems means using Microsoft's technologies to interact with everything in tech. Be it gaming with Xbox and game streaming, mobile devices with Xamarin apps, web apps and websites with .NET, cloud storage and computing platforms that power everything from AI bots to voice assistants to self-driving cars. Simply put, there's basically no language, framework, or platform that this developer community says no to. In Microsoft's aim to meet people where they are and allow them to do more, this community aims to meet developers where they are too, and do the same. We've been operating for about a year now, having virtual and in-person events including developer tutorials, career talks with people in the tech industry, and community mixer events like gaming and movie nights. This year, however, we'd like to do even more and increase the scope of those activities, including more community outreach events, tackling more AI and cloud projects, and of course, taking on the amazing Microsoft Imagine Cup, an international competition where students come up with awesome projects and business ideas, with the winners gaining funding, exposure, and mentorship from top tech executives, including even Microsoft CEO from time to time. Our tutorials and technical activities are done through Microsoft Learn, a free, robust, and powerful learning platform, with tutorials, demos, and all the documentation you need to, learn everything you need about a language, tool, or skill in the best way possible. The best part of it is that it offers exams and even professional certifications, which you can get vouchers for depending on the learning path that you took, adding a myriad of professional paths and career options that you can improve through it, and trust me, you want to check it out as soon as we're done telling you about it. And there's a lot more to it too. We already talked about mixers and times where we have fun, and trust me, we do have fun. But there's purpose in this, we promise. Microsoft Student Ambassadors aims to be a force for good. And amongst helping you guys reach your best, we definitely want you guys to go out there and do your best for the world around you as well. So yeah, as we said, more community projects and everything else coming up. Be ready for that. Personally, I can't wait for you to become a part of this amazing community, to expose yourself to both the local and international tech industry, and to meet people to start with or collaborate on amazing projects with. To go out there and, well, as I said, be a force for good, gaining life-changing opportunities and experiences that you'll never forget. Sound good? Great! Sign up already. Trust me, you'll enjoy every minute of it.
There you have it. Hope you love what you've heard. Chances are you're thinking, which one should I choose though?
And that's the best part. You don't have to. You can, in fact, you should join both DSC and MSA.
Yeah, DSC and MSA are committed to working together to bring the best of both what Microsoft and Google have to offer.
Meaning that you get the best head start on resources, tools, and experiences that can change and impact your life forever.
So yeah, join already.
We look forward to working, playing, collaborating, and growing with you guys as one single community. Hope to see you soon.
Till next semester.